Have you ever went shopping to find the perfect piece of jewelry and you just couldn't find it? Well, we have a simple way to custom create the jewelry of your dreams. You can either start online or you can visit your local store and consult with your favorite jewelry expert. With a simple consultation, we can help bring your jewelry dreams to life. We'll create a digital rendering of the design you desire. A digital rendering is a picture that has all of your design elements. That way you're able to see what you're getting before you actually get it. We will print your design in a wax mold. A wax mold is a 3D printed version of your design that we use when we go to final production. Final production is where we cast, clean, polish, and set any of your gemstones to finally bring your vision to life. Once you approve your design for final production, you'll have your custom piece in a few short weeks. You'll finally be able to take your idea from your heart to your home.